writing a subprogram in Python, which is function. Function is a program segment. So if you are to write a subprogram in Python, you use def function. So followed by the name of the function. Addition. The name is very important. The name of the function is very important. So you have open and close brackets. A, comma, B. That is the parameters to be passing. Then followed by a colon. The column will give the next line indent. That is, the next statement is under the above function. So I'm trying to make an example of adding just two numbers. So C is equal to the parameter passing, the arguments A plus B, which are passing from the above name. So I've written a function just to add two numbers, two values. So what is going to return? You should return the result, which is C. That's a simple way of writing function. Now, whenever you write a function or subprogram in Python, it has to be called for execution. So before the execution, let's assign value to the variable. I can use variable y. I assign the value of assign 6 into y, then z, then assigning it into z. So calling now, how do we call? Let me use print function so that whenever I call, I will be able to generate the output of whatever I call. So in quotes, the addition of the addition is, so comma, let's call the call. We call by the name of the function. The name of the function is addition. Y are the arguments passing into the above numbers. So I've written a function just to add two numbers, and at the same time I've calling the function, and at the same time printing out the value returned from the function. So let's run it and see what will happen. It's telling me variable x not defined. Let's check what happens to variable x that is not defined in the program. Variable x, is variable y. I wanted to write x, y. I wanted to write z. I wrote x. Let's run it Good. This is a simple way of writing a function and calling a function in Python. Thanks.